I've strapped a lot of gadgets to my body: phones, watches, even glasses, all in pursuit of more data and connection. But lately, there's a quiet rebellion against the constant buzz of screens. People want the data, but not the digital noise. This search for simplicity is leading us somewhere unexpected: our fingers. Just as the smartwatch seemed to dominate, a new contender has arrived: smart rings. These aren't toy gadgets, they're sleek sensor-packed jewelry. They track your sleep, steps, heart rate, and more, all without a screen. No notifications, no buzzing, just you and your data. In a world drowning in screens, that's a compelling pitch. Smart rings are no longer just for techies. They're for anyone tired of being overwhelmed. We've spent years adding screens to everything: cars, fridges, wrists. The smart ring is the first mainstream tech that subtracts the screen. Maybe the most advanced tech is the one you forget you're wearing. It's a whisper, not a shout. Are we at a turning point? Is the era of the do-it-all wrist computer fading? I've been wearing a smart ring for weeks, comparing it to my smartwatch. I've talked to people who've made the switch. The story of the smart ring is about more than a new gadget. It's about changing our relationship with technology. It's about wanting health insights without digital overload. Let's dive in. What is a smart ring? Imagine shrinking the best sensors from a fitness tracker into a small, durable band for your finger. No screen, no buttons, just a silent data collector. It tracks your heart rate and movement and temperature, storing data until you check the app. The magic is what it doesn't do. No notifications, no distractions. For many, that's the main attraction. The smart ring is a single-purpose device in a world of multitaskers. Its job? Monitor your health and get out of the way. You only notice it when you charge it or check your scores. This passive, focused approach is a big shift in personal tech. Unlike a smartwatch, which wants your attention, the smart ring wants to be forgotten. It's about living your life, not managing another screen. The only time you think about it is when you check the app. That's intentional design. Put a smartwatch next to a smart ring, and the difference is clear. One is a mini computer, the other a simple band. The smartwatch is about active engagement, notifications, calls, quick info, but it's also another source of distraction. The smart ring is built for passive health tracking, especially on your finger, where sensors get more accurate data. Its snug fit means better sleep tracking too. Smartwatches can be bulky and uncomfortable, especially at night. Many people take them off, missing crucial recovery data. A smart ring is so light you forget it's there. Perfect for 24/7 wear. The smartwatch wins on versatility payments, GPS, music control. The smart ring is a specialist. Health tracking, done discreetly. The choice isn't about which is better, but what you want to prioritize. Do you want a powerful wrist computer or an invisible health guardian? It's about focus versus features. The decision is yours. Sarah, a graphic designer, loved her Apple Watch until the constant notifications broke her focus. She switched to an Oura Ring and now checks her data once in the morning, then forgets about it. She still wears a regular watch for style, but the distractions are gone. Mark, a construction manager, never liked watches but wanted to improve his sleep. A smart ring was perfect tough, unobtrusive, and eye-opening for his health. These stories are common. Users are unbundling the smartwatch, a ring for silent health tracking, a phone for everything else. This modular approach lets people build a tech ecosystem that serves them, not the other way around. It's a conscious choice to reclaim focus and reduce digital overload. The Smart Ring is about intentional tech use. It's not about doing everything, it's about doing what matters quietly. For many, that's the real upgrade. The switch is on. When it comes to smart rings, Oura leads the pack. Their ring is sleek, focused on sleep, readiness, and activity scores. But competition is heating up. Ringcon offers longer battery life and no subscription fees. Ultrahuman integrates with broader health platforms. Now, Samsung is entering the game with the Galaxy Ring. That's huge. Big brands mean validation and rapid innovation. Expect more features, better prices, and new designs. Each brand will need to stand out. Battery life, software, style, or unique health features. The ring wars are just beginning. More options mean better choices for everyone. The Smart Ring's biggest strength? Subtlety. It blends in, perfect for formal settings or anyone who dislikes watches. Comfort is unmatched, especially for sleep. Consistent wear means better health data. By ditching screens and notifications, it helps you build a healthier tech relationship. You check your data when you want, no constant buzz. But the lack of a screen is also its weakness. No quick glances for time, heart rate, or texts. It's not for those who need real-time feedback or multifunctionality. Smart rings are health monitors, not wrist computers. You'll still need your phone for most interactions. It's a trade-off, focus, and comfort versus versatility. The future of smart rings is bright and crowded. With Samsung in, expect Apple and Google to follow. Rings will get smaller, more powerful, and last longer between charges. Next-gen sensors could track blood pressure or glucose, making rings true medical devices. Features like contactless payments and gesture controls are on the horizon. Imagine skipping a song or paying for coffee with a twist of your finger. The future is modular. A ring for health, a watch for style, both when you need them. Wearables will become more specialized, letting you choose your ideal tech mix. It's not about one device for everything. It's about the right tool for the right job. The future is about choice and personalization, and it's coming fast. So, should you ditch your smartwatch for a smart ring? It depends. If you want a digital Swiss Army knife, quick replies, payments, directions, stick with a smartwatch. But if you crave health insights without constant digital noise, a smart ring is compelling. It's for those who want to track their body, not their notifications. The smart ring works quietly in the background, empowering you with knowledge when you want it. This isn't just a new gadget. It's a cultural shift toward intentional tech. We are questioning if more screens really mean a better life. The smart ring is digital wellness in physical form. It proves you can be connected to your health without being tethered to chaos. It's technology serving you, not the other way around. The future of wearables is calmer, more focused, and more human. Maybe the most powerful tech is the one you barely notice, right on your finger.